You are sitting in front of the world's only twiddler, fiddler, nipper, tucker, manipulator and manoeuvrer of material, and try saying that after you've had a few. I basically play with fabric and do manipulation, create a series of designs, and the design we're going to see today is something called the lily block. Now, I am known for the writing of a variety of books: tucks, texts and pleats, tinkering with texture, searching for softies, there's a DVD, there are various other books. And the block you're about to see came from a book that is no longer in print called Tucked Up in Bed. But you don't need to worry about not having the book, because you have the design right here in front of you today. That one I did in gold lame. The ones behind me, you can see I did in the microwave dyed fabric. And in fact, this quilt and all the design on this quilt is in the Floradorable pattern. So you can learn how to do the lily block, the center, and indeed the star.